Hey guys, I'm Shamjaswal from Codepedia and welcome back to new video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to learn programming. So if you want to start your programming journey, then this video will help in paving the way for you. Programming is one of the most resourceful and highest paying skill you should have as a millennial. If you are good at programming, then there will be abundance of opportunities for you. Most of us don't know the proper way to learn to code. Therefore, they get confused and struggle to grasp the basic concepts of programming language. In the end, they lose motivation to learn programming. Today, we will go through the 5-step process which will guide you and pave the way for you to make your programming experience much better. So, without further ado, let's start with the first step to learn any programming language, which is ask yourself why you want to learn programming. The first step in learning programming is to ask yourself that why you want to learn it. This is most important and underestimated step in learning programming. If you don't have a good and substantial reason for programming, then probably you will lose motivation and quit very easily. You should have a substantial reason for learning programming. Whether you want to make an app, website, software, or you want to crack a coding interview, or you just want to score good marks in your class, it should be good enough to drive you towards your goal. We also have a dedicated video on substantial reasons for learning programming, in which we have listed top 13 reasons why you should learn coding. You must take a look at it. The link is in the description below. With this, moving toward the second step to learn to code, which is choose the programming language. The next important step is to choose your programming language. You should wisely choose the programming language you want to learn. The programming language you choose should be based on many factors like its popularity, future scope, and much more. We have sorted the list of top programming languages you should learn which will have the highest scope in future. The link of the article is in the description below. If you are a beginner and starting into programming, then C or C++ is best for you, as it will make your computer fundamentals much clearer. With C and C++, you will know how the memory actually works and how to efficiently perform memory management. In C++, you will learn a lot about object-oriented programming. Most colleges and universities also teach C and C++ as their first programming language. It is a common say that if you can learn C++, then you can learn any programming language. Now coming to the next step of this journey, which is data structure and algorithm. Now that you are comfortable with a programming language, you are good to start your data structure and algorithm. Learning data structure is the most important and comparatively difficult step in learning programming. There are many types of data structure. It will help you in improving your problem solving skills. The algorithm will teach you multiple ways of solving the same problem and then choosing the most efficient one out of them. So, to be a better programmer, data structure and algorithms are must. Now the last but not the least step to become a programmer is be consistent. Consistency is the key to be a good programmer. If you are not good at programming but you are still consistent with it, then one day you will be a great programmer for sure. Even experienced programmers lag sometimes when they are not consistent with programming. So you must code every day and daily improve your coding skills. With this, coming to our last and most important step, which is make some projects. Making some projects is the best way to check your coding and problem solving skills. After learning programming and data structures, you are good to build your projects. Projects can be of any type, like it can be a web app, mobile app, game, or any of the trending technology, but it should be challenging enough to test your coding skills. After you have built some good projects, you can show them in your portfolio, which will help you in getting more projects from your clients. This way you can generate a handsome income from your skills. So these are some steps which are necessary to be followed if you want to be a good programmer. If you are passionate and have the patience to not quit, then you will be an excellent programmer for sure. If you like the video, please comment and let us know what do you think about it. Leave a like so I know that you enjoyed it. Consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well. so you will never miss the next video we will upload in this channel. Till then, keep learning. See you next time.